Hello, and welcome to another episode of Touring with Otura. Today we talk about the 5 craziest tours around the world. Ready to carve up some untracked powder in South America's highest peaks? For the ultimate ski adventure, consider taking a tour that includes heli-skiing in the Andes. You'll be flown by helicopter to remote mountain peaks where you can carve your way down untracked powder runs. Just be prepared for some pretty intense exercise, as the high altitude and low oxygen are pretty challenging. Number 4. Are you ready to catch some serious air in the world's hottest desert? Then you gotta check out some sandboarding. This activity is similar to snowboarding, but instead of sliding down a mountain, you're gonna be gliding down a massive sand dune. There are several tour companies that offer sandboarding tours in the Sahara, where you're gonna ride the dunes in style. Just be prepared for some sore muscles, as sandboarding can be more physically demanding than snowboarding. Number 3. Want to fly like a bird and fall like a rock? If you're an experienced skydiver, consider taking a tour that includes a jump over Mount Everest. You'll get breathtaking views of the world's highest mountains and the surrounding Himalayan range as you free fall through the sky. Keep in mind that skydiving over Mount Everest is not for the weak, as the high altitude and low oxygen will challenge your heart. Let's take the North Pole adventure, where you'll have to trek through the frozen tundra in sub-zero temperatures and treacherous ice. Reaching the North Pole is a feat that only a few people have accomplished. There are a few companies that offer guided treks to the pole, which typically involve traveling by ski or snowmobile over the frozen Arctic Ocean. You'll have to contend with extreme cold, as well as the risk of falling through the thin ice. But the sense of accomplishment you'll feel upon reaching the top of the world is unparalleled. Number 1. Want to make a splash with the world's most notorious fish? If you're looking for an adrenaline rush, few experiences can match diving with great white sharks. There are several tour companies that offer this type of tour off the coast of South Africa, where the sharks are known to congregate. You'll be able to observe these amazing animals a little too up close, while staying safe in your cage. Keep in mind that these tours are not for the faint of heart, as the great sharks are known to be unpredictable.